Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn how to find area of a triangle. So to begin with, we all know that a triangle is a polygon which is made up of 3 line segments, and triangle looks like this. So first of all, we need to know what is the area. Before finding the formula, we need to know what is the area. So basically, area is the amount of place this triangle occupies in the plane. So I'm shading the interior of this triangle, which is actually representing the area of this triangle. So the amount of place which this triangle is occupying on the plane is called its area. So before understanding the area, we need to understand the concept of base and height. So what is the base? Base is something on which a figure rests. It is something on which a figure rests. So we can clearly see here this triangle is resting on this side. So this is the base. Now coming to the height, as the name suggests, height is how tall the figure is. So when we talk about this triangle, so from the top of this triangle to the base, this line segment will represent the height of this triangle. One thing we need to keep in our mind that this height should be the perpendicular distance, which means that this should be a straight line. So a line segment which is drawn from the top of the triangle to the base and which is perpendicular will give you the height of the triangle. So how do we find the area? So area of the triangle is basically half into base into height. One thing which we need to keep in our mind and which is very important is that this base is corresponding to the height, which means if I'm considering this as base, then the height corresponding to this base, that means this height, I'll have to consider this height. And same ways, if I consider this base, then this height will be considered to calculate the area of the triangle, which means the height corresponding to this base is this height. And similarly, if I'll consider this as the base of the triangle, then my height I will have to consider this one. So we need to keep in our mind the word corresponding while calculating the area. So if I'm taking some base, I need to take the corresponding height to that base. I hope this video helps you to understand the formula of area of a triangle. Thank you.